worried your website will suffer as a result of the mobile-friendly change Google's making in April 2015? In November 2014, Google rolled out a mobile-friendly tag. For searches made on a mobile device, websites that Google considers mobile-friendly have a special label now that says mobile-friendly in the results. While initially that did not impact the actual results, Google announced that on April 21st it will start impacting results. If your site is not mobile-friendly, it will most likely experience a significant drop in the search rankings.
What is Google trying to do with this whole thing?
Well, let's just say mobile-geddon, because it could be Armageddon for some businesses. Paul, when Google makes even the slightest change in its algorithms, it can have huge effects. The last time they did something like this, it actually put some businesses out of business. They were no longer able to operate because they lost so much traffic. But in this case, the changes have to do with mobile, like you mentioned. I hate when I have to log on to a website and end up scrolling and zooming to try and get the text because it's so small. You know what I'm talking about. So Google has an example right here of what they say is the problem. You have a desktop site there on the left that's just kind of pushed onto mobile, and it's really not meant for mobile. That's not what they want. They say this is what they want, a site that looks nice on a mobile device, your phone or your tablet.
A big change in the way your search results are unveiled. Starting today, mobile-friendly websites get the top listings. It is a blow to small businesses whose sites have traditional layouts.
Have you ever been on your phone and you search and you get to a site and the font is tiny and you have to kind of pinch and zoom and it's a disaster?
Yes.
They are trying to end that. And they're saying any website that has really bad display on mobile devices and doesn't work on mobile devices and isn't optimized for mobile devices, we're going to downgrade you.
Right.
And the reason they're doing that is that we all search now on mobile devices, and Google will make a lot more money if you're happy with your search results, because then you'll search
So
more.
we should be happy about this?
We should generally be happy about that. The people who should not be happy about it are people who run websites that aren't mobile friendly.
Well, doesn't that penalize small businesses who maybe can't pay a lot of money for a fancy website?
It penalizes small businesses. It penalizes large businesses. It's about 40% of the Fortune 500 are not mobile friendly right now.
So it's not just on, why is it just on the smartphones?
Well, what's happened is that search used to be, 90% on desktops, and now the amount of time spent searching on mobile devices has surpassed that on desktops. The whole internet has changed. We access it through mobile devices.
How hard is it to make your website mobile friendly?
It's getting easier and easier. And in fact, you should do it, right? If you haven't made your website mobile friendly and you still want people to come to your website, you should do it, because that's how everybody's accessing the web. And in fact, 3 years from now, it's going to be even more. So you should do it now.